How to use Visa gift card on Shein. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use your Visa gift card on your Shein account. So first of all, just go to the Shein website, or you can also do this process in your Shein mobile application. The process is quite similar. So for that, all you have to do is just log into your account, and once you are logged in, just click on your profile icon from the top right, and from there just go to your profile. Click on my profile. And after that, in the left hand side menu, in the personal center, when you will scroll down, you will see all these options. Under the My Assets section, you will see this option called gift card. So just click on it. And after that, you will see the option to add your card number and the PIN. So all you have to do is just enter your Visa gift card number and the PIN of the Visa gift card that you have. And after that, you have to click on check balance. So in order to use your Visa gift card properly in your Shein account, you need to have some balance in your Visa gift card. And once the Shein will check the balance, then you will be able to spend your Visa gift card in your Shein application. So this is how simple it is to use your Visa gift card in your Shein. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.